Hello friends, you are on the Home Tips channel. In this video I will show you what happens if you add toothpaste to lemon. I'm sure not many people have heard of this, but if you want to use natural cleaning products and buy fewer bottles of cleaning products at the store, then you will like this tip. We will need 1 lemon. Soft lemons bought on sale are also suitable for this recipe. Cut the lemon in half. Now take a bowl, 1/2 of a lemon, and squeeze the juice out of it. Add 1 tablespoon of toothpaste to the squeezed juice and mix well. Toothpaste is great for cleaning faucets, sink, bathtub, tiles. You can clean all of this with it. The next thing you need to add here is 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. While you stir, the product will foam, but then this foam will immediately settle. Another ingredient we need is dish soap. 1 teaspoon will be enough. I mix everything a little. And I squeeze the second half of the lemon into this mixture. This is the cleaning agent you get. You can now take a sponge and start cleaning, but it can be used in different ways, undiluted and diluted. Now I will show you the second option. You will need a spray bottle and a sieve. I pour some foam into the sieve and stir it with a spoon so that it gets into the bottle. It is essential to strain the product through a sieve because it may contain seeds and pieces of lemon which will clog the sprayer. I have already strained the product. Next, you need to fill the bottle to the top with warm water. This is the form in which I find it most convenient to use this cleaning product. Now let's move on to the second question: what can it clean? And the first is the sink and faucet in the bathroom. Spray the product on the sink. If there was no serious plaque on the sink, then you can clean it right away. If the sink was dirty, then wait 5 minutes and start cleaning. I find it most convenient to spray this product, but in principle you can simply pour it into a jar with a lid and dilute it with water. Then, as needed, wet a sponge or a cloth in it and wipe dirty surfaces. The product cleans well, smells nice, and will not harm you, your pets, or the environment, unlike caustic household chemicals. You can use it for regular cleaning, that is, when it is already dirty, but not too neglected. Once a week, spray the stove, spray the kitchen sink, wipe with a sponge, and everything is clean. In the bathroom you can use it to clean the sink, faucets, bathtub, wipe the tiles and glass in the shower so that soap and lime scale do not accumulate on them. This product is also great for cleaning the drain, spray, clean with a sponge and brush, and everything is clean. There is no dirt or unpleasant smell. The toilet bowl needs to be cleaned regularly. Special products are very aggressive and, in my opinion, should only be used in cases of extreme necessity. For example, if you have hard water, so that the plug inside the toilet does not accumulate. And for daily maintenance of the toilet clean and fresh, the product we just made is perfect. Once a day, spray the toilet bowl, leave it for 15 minutes, and clean it with a brush. Freshness and cleanliness in the toilet are guaranteed. So, if you try to keep your home clean on a regular basis and want to minimize the use of harmful store-bought chemicals, I advise you to add toothpaste to lemon. If you liked the advice, like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching. See you in other videos.